Welcome to the vibrant world of parrots. Parrots are some of the most colorful and exciting birds in the world, with their bright feathers and playful personalities. These beautiful creatures are found in rainforests, jungles, and even savannas, depending on the species. Parrots are famous for their stunning colors, which range from bright greens and blues to fiery reds and yellows. Their feathers help them blend into their environments, but they also make them stand out, especially in the bright light of the sun. Parrots are known for their amazing ability to mimic sounds and words. Some parrots can even learn to say human words, making them one of the few animals that can communicate with people in this way. But parrots don't just mimic sounds, they also use their voices to communicate with other parrots in their flock. They might squawk, whistle, or even screech to call out to a friend or warn others of danger. These intelligent birds live in large groups called flocks, where they work together to find food, stay safe, and care for their young. Parrots eat a wide variety of foods, including seeds, nuts, fruits, and even flowers. Some parrots have special beaks that help them crack open tough seeds, and they even use their feet to hold food while eating. Their feet are just as amazing as their beaks. They're strong enough to grab onto tree branches or even hang upside down. Parrots are often seen in tropical and subtropical climates, especially in rainforests where there is an abundance of food. They make their homes in tall trees, where they build nests in the branches. These nests are usually hidden away in the leaves to keep them safe from predators. In some cases, parrots even use holes in tree trunks as their homes, protecting their eggs and young from harm. One of the most fascinating things about parrots is their incredible ability to adapt to different environments. While some parrots live in lush, green forests, others have adapted to living in drier areas, like savannas or deserts. No matter where they live, parrots are always full of energy and excitement, making them one of the most fun and interesting birds to learn about. So, the next time you see a parrot, take a moment to admire its beautiful colors and think about all the incredible ways it lives in the wild. These colorful birds are truly a wonder of nature.